all, when we just started on the activity, we were slightly skeptical as to how people would take it. I mean, then slowly as we started going into each and every house, we found that people were really receptive of the idea. And they were giving more and more. Some people in the beginning, when we said that we were collecting for a cause, in the beginning they were slightly skeptical, but once we gave our credentials that are from this institute and we're supporting this particular cause, so they wholeheartedly came up in support. So we are very thankful to all our teachers over here who've given us a way of expressing our gratitude towards the different members of the society through our small way. We wanted to make a contribution. We are not properly finding the medium to do so. So this just gave us a medium. I think I'm speaking for everyone by saying that we all try in our small way to help the people, and this just gave us a medium to do so. So once again, I really thank all the teachers, faculty for giving us a chance to come ahead and help the deprived sections of the society.
Experience overall that we shared on 2nd October, it was really exhilarating. The moment we left our campus, everyone was feeling the adrenaline rush in them. It was a new experience, and I can say that with the dutiful approach, with the right devotion attitude and our discipline, we made it happen, and we are really proud of what we all did. And moreover, the experience was weird, funny, and really made ourselves proud of. And at last, I would like to say, our faculty member, this ICFP Institute, this is really amazing. Thanks for all whatever you did, and my team members, you are amazing.
It was a good experience, and we enjoyed a lot. And at last, everybody's hard work has paid off. That's what I
Great experience. As we know, drops of water makes oceans, so we actually proved that a little effort from each of us can bring huge changes in the society. So 4 hours of working all together, so we could collect this much of amount, which can really bring in some smile in some faces of the destitute people. So it was really a memorable day for me, and I know that it's not only for me, for all of us, right? And there were different situations, like we had fun, we had initially we were upset also. It was not so warm welcome from people's side. But then initially, we started having good experiences as well. And the funniest moment was when we went to a person, and a girl opened the gate, and she was like, "Take my MBA books as well. I don't want to study them anymore." It was a really funny incident, and we really had a whole lot of fun. I mean, I have been into social activities, but being together, working together is totally a different experience. Thanks to ICOFP for giving us this platform.
I also want to share one experience. A most amazing part was of the activity was that we started talking in Hindi, and that too very Shuddha Hindi. When we got up to different flats and what they said, I don't know Hindi and all. So what would I speak? I told him that speak in your native language and all. So he suddenly spoke to a lady in Hindi. He said, "Am I talking Hindi?" Oh God! So it was when we and Devjit went to a flat building, sort of all the area was covered, all the flats in that particular area was covered. And Vivek sir told that it's a half an hour time left, and it's a bonanza if you get some more flats done. So I and Devjit went to that particular flat, and within 20 minutes we covered the whole flat and got a whole lot of stuff. So it was really enjoying, and after completing the activity, we went to Manganese and had some fun, and so it was really exciting.
Thank you. My experience in Sahai is very good. When I first knocked my first flat, and told I am coming for this issue, they give me 2 basta of kagaj in two basta of papers in first attempt. I was very happy. Many of my mothers are giving me snacks, offering me snacks, and opened the lift gates and told, "Tum le ja paoge itna." And they also tell, "Have you have some packet?" And they said, "I am very happy, sir." And last also I say, we are the Isopians. We are আমরা বাংলায় বলছি আমরা সবাই রাজা. We are the all the winners. And my response.
One more thing I need to say is like the reception what we got from there was amazing, because whenever we went, we actually maybe at the first time we were having some problems regarding permission into certain phases, but after that when we started to collect the papers, it was really amazing, because the residents out there, they hardly created any problems for us. We just had to go and say, and I remember Orijit using one great thing he learned from her, I guess his cousin friend or something. He learned to say Jai Jinendra to everyone. So he went and said Jai Jinendra. They opened the door first in Jai Jinendra, like he was doing like this, and like he was
I am not a salesman, sir.
and
Coming for social course, first year Jai Jinendra.
And then he's telling me, look, I'm using this dialects, and that's why I'm getting so much of, these people are being so cooperative with us and all this stuff. And I'm okay, fine, you continue, keep on using me as well as much as we can get papers. Then that's okay, great. And as for the people also, they also extended some sacks and bags and everything so that we can carry. I mean, it helps a lot. Yeah, they help a lot. And
I want to work more, but English has stopped me.
I would like to add, initially when we just reached there, Nitin was calling up, "I'm not getting anything, have you got anything?" I said, "We have just reached, we have not started collecting, why you're demotivating us?" Before entering into the flat, again he's calling up, "Aap logo ko kuch mila, hum logo ko kuch nahi mila." And every time I was like, "Nitin, please don't demotivate." Great competition.
Actually, I had this very funny incident. Me and Nimisha were running around all the flats, and we were so quick. Turant knock kiya and somebody comes out and we started off. Ekdam thaki, sir, we are coming from ICP. So much quickly karna. The time ran out of that. So it happened like a boy opened the door, and he was much younger to me, and I said, "Uncle, I told him, Uncle, ऐसा कि we are coming from ICP." Then I realized कि तो he's much younger to me, probably going to school. And then again I went to another flat and there a young lady came out and I said, "Auntie ऐसा ऐसा." Then the lady said कि भाभी बोल सकते हो. Then Nisha asked me कि पहले देख लो कौन है, कितना एज है, उसके बाद भैया भाभी अंकल आंटी बनाओ.
And I went to this one flat and this lady was standing. I said, "I've come from ICOP and we are collecting old newspaper." She said, "Acha, newspaper चाहिए." Nothing else to be said, that's it.
Newspaper चाहिए लो.
And she gave a very nicely arranged bunch of newspapers, a lot of them.
even some of the kids also came out. They came out and they gave some book, take our books.
I went to a flat and one little boy opened the door and he was so happy that I came there for collecting the papers and at the last day he is saying that Didi ये वाला book भी ले लो, मेरा वो पढ़ रहा था, means he was studying वो
And lastly, we should not forget the Paras contribution.
Paras.
He was coordinating between all of us so that we
Nice,
don't
very-
enter into the same building, and it was very nice.
It was a very great help from Paras. He was coordinating very good.
Very well.
And he was like very funny guy, very good person.
Thank you.
Let me share my experience of 2nd October in short. First of all, as Lokesh sir said, the notice has been given by the Kolkata police into the flats, but we are unaware of the fact. But in some of the building, first of all, we had not been allowed to enter, and secondly, in some of the flat, the security man said, no, pore asbe. In some of the building, the caretaker told us to give the application and then to come to their flat in the next Sunday. But at last we were able to collect some of the newspaper, but as the time limit was there, so if we could have got some more time, then we could have been able to get more papers. And one more thing, in that area from Lincoln Road to the Metro Park, and some of the members from other other organizations have already started collecting the papers. So Thanks for ICLP for arranging such an beautiful social activities. Thank you.
You know, I remember the time when sir was there, Indranil sir was also there. He, both of them asked me that what was the problem and what you have done. I said, sir, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक. We are blank. And even I called Nimisha and said that Nimisha दी कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा. जहाँ जा रहे हो बोल रहे अभी नहीं बाद में आना, अभी नहीं बाद में आना. And it was at 11:30 that time. I was seeing my watch that time नहीं है and we have not collected anything. And the coordinator that Pooja दी, she was with us. She was saying आज तो अपना बैड लगा जहाँ जा रहे वहीं से नाम मिल रहा अपने आप को. Then at last we went a place. They only in Minto Park at the last. There we went a building. We were collecting papers. The situation was that we entered in a flat and a husband and wife were there. So husband was saying, कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे जाओ निकलो तुम लोग यहाँ से निकलो. Then that lady said us, you stop outside there, I am coming. She came with 300 rupees. She said, take the money. He will not allow me to give anything. You take and go away from there. We said we don't need money. If you have paper, you give us paper. We will take the paper. ले लो रुपया ले लो यार खाली हाथ नहीं भेजेंगे हम तुम लोग को. बोले no auntie it's okay. You will drink water. Then her husband is saying that छोड़ो ना बच्चे लोग को उठा के आ जाते हैं यहाँ पे. So funny निहारिका and दीदी was saying यार what type of persons यार that wife is so मतलब इतनी अच्छी थी वो nothing. It was great fun doing that activity and thanks to all the teachers that they have done this job for us.
I get experience when hardly we enter in that building. We have to do bluff to guards to get enter in that building, and we went on top floor. I knock a door and old lady come. I asked them her to auntie पेपर है वर्ल्ड पेपर लेने आए हम लोग आश्रम से आए हैं. बोले किस आश्रम से आए हो आप लोग. मैंने बताया आश्रम का नाम था श्रीमद राजचंद्र. बोले कि बेटा हम लोग तो इसी आश्रम को पेपर लेते लेकिन हम आपको जानते नहीं फिर मैंने बोल थैंक यू आंटी जी. फिर जो पेपर हमने कलेक्ट किए थे वो इकट्ठा कर रहे थे. फिर आंटी आई एक हाथ में 5-6 पेपर लेके आई. बोली ठीक है बेटा ये ले लो आप लोग. फिर लेके फिर हम लोग सही से पेपर को सेट करने लगे कैरी करने के लिए. फिर वो दोबारा आई और पेपर लेके आई दिया उन्होंने. तो उसको भी इस बार लास्ट टाइम ज़्यादा पेपर लेके आई तो वो फिर उसको हम लोग सही से वो बंडल बनाने लगे कैरी करने के लिए. फिर तीसरी बार वो गेट ओपन खोली और बोली कि बेटा बोरा बैग को चाहिए आप लोग को. तो मैं बोला ठीक है आंटी बैग दे दो आप. बैग लेके आई. फिर हम लोग बैग में कैरी करके बाई लिफ्ट नीचे लेके आए. ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस रहा.